Greetings, class, and welcome to Marketing 2060. I'm your instructor, Mrs. Caldwell, and I wanted to cover a bit about the class as well as my expectations. First of all, I want to start in Blackboard. The first screen that you'll see are announcements. Announcements are very important, and you will see many announcements from me throughout the semester. So be sure to check this screen. Be sure to check this screen at least once or twice weekly for announcements about the week's assignments, etc. Next, I want to direct you to your syllabus and your no-show assignment. Your no-show assignment is what you should be working on this week. You must complete your no-show assignment to remain enrolled in the course. So what you want to do is click on no-show participation assignment, watch the Blackboard orientation video, and then complete the test. Also, you want to complete the work ethics assignment as well. And these assignments are not graded, by the way. Now I want you to take a look at your course syllabus, which is your contract for the course. And you want to make sure that you look at this in every class. So if we take a look at this syllabus, bear with my slow computer. Take a look at your syllabus. Some important pieces to the syllabus are my information. Of course, I am virtual. I have virtual office hours. And this is the textbook for the course. Online components are not necessary. Also, you want to make sure that you take a look at my course policies. Assignments are not accepted late. All tests and exams should be taken within the assigned calendar dates. Test makeups are at my discretion, and if you are allowed to make up a test, significant points may be deducted. Also, again, your no-show assignment, which is due by Sunday, January 17th at midnight. Looking at the evaluations in the class, how you are graded. Tests are worth 30%. Discussion boards and assignments are worth 20%. Quizzes are worth 30%, and your final exam, which is your proctored event, is worth 20%. A note about discussion boards please ensure that you make your initial post by Wednesday of the week that the assignment is due, and respond to your classmate by Sunday. The initial response, if you do not make it by Wednesday, it is a deduction of 10 points. If you do not reply back to a classmate, there is a deduction of 20 points. So please be sure to respond within the parameters of the dates. Also, when you're responding to discussion boards and making your posts, please ensure that they are grammatically correct, that you put a lot of thought and effort into the posts, and as well as your replies. If you're replying to a student, don't just say, I agree or I disagree. Explain why. We just want to make sure that we're having some robust discussions within the discussion boards. Also, on the syllabus, I want you to take note of your final exam, which is your proctored event. It will be April 28th between 10 and 6 p.m. It will be via Respondus, which is our lockdown browser. And there's information on Respondus here, as well as how to download it. You will need a webcam. Also, on your syllabus, you will see your calendar. This will tell you all of your due dates for the course and what is due. So please review that as well. Okay. I also want to let you take a look at my contact information, which is under instructor contact. This is a little bit of information about me as well as how to contact me. Course information, instructor video. This is where you will find this video if you need to refer back to it. Also, the proctored event information. Course content. This is the meat of the course. Here you will find your assignments by module. Here, as you can see, you can only view module 1, but you will click into your modules, and here you will see your assignments. Please note that if there is a test or a quiz in the modules, you will not see those until the week that they are due. So say if Module 2 was visible and there was a test in Module 2, you would not be able to see the test. You would not be able to view the test yet because it is not open yet. Course messages and email are great ways to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. Also, My Grades is where you can view your grades for the class. And the virtual office, if we have a virtual appointment where we need to, say, share information or something, we can meet in the virtual office. And so if I ever ask you to meet in my virtual office, this is where you will go. Take a look there. So please, if you have any questions regarding Blackboard, reach out to Blackboard support. And if you have any questions related to the course content or assignments, please feel free to reach out to me. Remember to complete your no-show assignment first, and make sure you get your book, and make sure you always check your announcement board. So thank you, and I hope you have a great semester.